Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm bringing you guys a grocery haul. I had went to Costco, BJ's, and also ShopRite to get a few items for the house. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just washing everything down, make sure that everything is properly washed before I put them away. And anything that cannot be washed, I will just spray them down and put them away. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also thank you for coming. And if you are a returning subscriber, I also want to thank you for still hanging with me, and keep on watching. And this is everything after I wash and sprayed down. Got some cheese, some Advil, some Tylenol. You know, when you have young kids, you need that Tylenol in your house because you don't know when somebody's gonna pop a fever or something, so you need that Tylenol. And this Shea Moisture was on sale. I love using Shea Moisture, like for me and my kids. I love them, so they were on sale and I grabbed them. And those filters was like $15. I think they're on sale, $15. And the Kinder Joy, my kids love Kinder Joy. Usually they run for $150 for the little one. So this one was for $10, $11 for 12 actually. And the Uncrustable, they are my kids' favorite. So I grabbed one, some Sazon, and also that pizza that you guys are seeing right now, the pizza box. So this one are like single pizza, they like round small pizza, and they taste real good actually, and my kids love them. And I had grabbed some cookies. My kids love them, and I love them as well. Right now I'm just placing everything in the fridge. The side that I'm doing right now is my kids' side. That's why I put, the snacks, the yogurt, the juice, everything that they would need that can be reachable to them. That's why I would put them. This is Baby Bell cheese and yogurt. I have some juice in the bag. And this is also the mozzarella cheese. They love that one as well. And on the other side, or like my sandwich side, if I want to make sandwich, that's where I would go and get my cheese and ham, anything that I need.